everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. Yes, of course, folks, the Cutlass is back and better than ever. Even so, knowing that GM made one of the finest vehicles that we are driving today, look at the one we have here featuring a gorgeous medium sea green exterior. And fun fact about it, folks, is when you look at the trim tag, paint code 42 does respond to medium sea green, followed by the dual stripes coming from the front to the back. It really matches that combination of a different kind of car. Even looking at the landscape to the vehicle, you will see how perfectly she fits in this Florida sunshine. Looking even deeper, you will notice that we even have a matching dark green convertible top. And I will say right now, it is a power top, not a manual top, as seen from the switch right there on the lower side of the dash. But looking even deeper, you notice with the Cutlasses, they have dual headlights. They have turn signals built into the bumpers. Even so, with the rear bumper having the bumper guards, that shows you the true fine originality of the vehicle. But to add a little bit of modern spice to it, you will see we have the retro 5-spoke chrome wheels with the Blackwall Continental tires. Perfect handling and perfect style to add to your Cutlass Supreme. As we move on to the inside, you will see we have a matching jade green interior, which, looking at code 972, does correspond to the jade green bucket seat interior with its fine vinyl material. You'll even notice with the Cutlass it had headrest. Looking from the dash, you'll even notice the wood grain, followed by the AM and FM appropriate style radio. Above, you will see we have our ashtray and AC vents. But looking at it, we have a 3-spoke wheel, a working horn. The wood grain instrument clusters going from your gas gauge, speedometer, and yes, clock. A lot of times you'll hear in the videos that these gauges only came necessary. Sometimes they'd be blank, sometimes they'd be clocks, and yes, sometimes they'd be tack clocks. But looking even deeper, you'll notice we have the handles for the door panels. Why ruin the finding of the armrest when you could just pull on the handle and keep your interior clean? You had your window cranks, a lot better than those electric motors. Less issues and more fun. But one of the deeper details about this vehicle is you will see the antenna that was actually built into the windshield. Followed by that, for your safety, you do have lap belts that retract. Same goes for the back seat. You have GM belts that correspond with the jade green interior. But let's get on to the engine bay, featuring that fine Rocket 350 small block. As you will see with it, you have fine steering. You have disc brakes in the front, drum in the back. Even with a dual exhaust system for a Flowmaster, it sounds good as you open it up, which we can pass by this sucker and show you what she's fully made of. And let's not forget, it's all about power, but all about style too. As you will look at underneath the engine bay, you will notice it's painted in the fine gold, followed by factory style AC. So of course, if you don't want to waste your money, you want to get a fine Cutlass that runs and has AC, this is the perfect vehicle for you. But as for now though, we are just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a minute, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.